She walked blank the park to get to the train station. A. Over. B. Through. C. On. D. In. Is there blank left to eat in the fridge? A. Anything. B. Nothing. C. Something. D. Everything. You blank drink more water if you are feeling tired. A. Should. B. Would. C. Might. D. Need. He blank goes to the cinema. He prefers watching TV at home. A. Always. B. Rarely. C. Usually. D. Often. It was rainy heavily. Blank, we decided to stay inside. A. Because. B. But. C. So. D. Although. I blank for my keys for 20 minutes. Have you seen them? A. Am looking. B. Was looking. C. Have been looking. D. Had looked. Let's go to the beach. Blank. A. Don't we? B. Shall we? C. Will we? D. Are we? The new shopping mall, blank, yet. A. Isn't finished. B. Hasn't been finished. C. Hasn't finished. D. Didn't finish. You will not pass the exam, blank, you study hard. A. If. B. Unless. C. When. D. Because. Do you mind blank the window? It is a bit cold in here. A. To close. B. Close. C. Closing. D. Closed.